Yeah.
I'm a YouTuber.
Huh?
Who needs a scope? You guys have?
Sir, we need, sir. We don't have.
You don't have. Okay. All right. A scope for you? All right. You see, these guys don't have signal generator. These guys have two multimeters but no signal generator. Okay. So, this is some theory. Just to remind you. To remind you things on signals. So, all these
பயந்துட்டீங்களா?
supposed to have. Yes, I can hear people talking. I'm giving a briefing now. Can you just all be quiet and listen to what I'm saying? All right. So, all these you should know is be able to plot a graph, right? So basically what you are doing is you are plotting, let's say, the voltage output with respect to frequency. So you put 4 different frequencies and then you see what the voltage output is doing. Whatever your graph is, right? At 4 different points. And then you correlate this with the theory.
Okay.
For question, let me remember. The answers for question 12. Sorry.
ஐயா சொல்லிட்டு இருக்காரு ஆனா என்ன சொல்றாருன்னு ஒன்றும் புரிய மாட்டேங்குது.
Especially question 5. The answers to these are quite, few lines. Not only one line. you have to do lots of calculations.
கீழேருந்து மேலே போகிற ஒரே யூடியூப்
இல்லை அப்போ தான் நிறைய இருக்குதுன்னு தெரியணும்ல. நிறையா இருக்குது பண்ணுறதுக்கு. இப்போது எவ்வளோ பேர் கரெக்டாக ரெக்கார்டாக பரவாயில்ல, ஓகே. அதெல்லாம் இருக்கிறது தான் இருக்கிறது தான்.
So the capacitive reactance of the capacitor. Okay. And question 5 is quite interesting because you have to do few calculations. And also here, question 6. The relationship between.
So hi, nice to meet you. So he's one of the team member and அங்கே ஓகே ஹாய் சொன்னீங்க, அதான் சொல்ல ஹாய். Okay, find the wires. Okay, so
You might need 2 T-junctions at some point, and you might need 2 BNC cables. One BNC is going to be BNC to BNC, the other BNC is BNC to Pro.
நான் சொல்கிறாரு ஒன்றும் புரியல. கேபிள் வந்துடுச்சு. வாட் இஸ் திஸ்?
You know what's BNC, right? Is that the thing that you can connect? That connection.
This is a BNC cable, I think so. So இந்த மாதிரி இருந்துச்சுன்னா அது BNC cable. If the cable is like this, it is BNC cable. See, I can screw it. So 2 BNC cable. So what he's saying is, okay bro, okay, super. BNC and alligator cable you got, and BNC to BNC. So this is alligator. Okay, I zoomed very long. Okay. BNC to alligator, one cable, and BNC to BNC, this cable.
Okay, fine.
Got it. And 2 T junctions.
What's the T junction?
2 T junctions. I don't know the T junctions. And 1 kilo ohm resistor and 1 nanofarad resistor, 100 nanofarads. This time we don't have paper, so this time we have only our laptop is a new ebook. Okay, so the objective experiment 1, introduction to AC signal, to understand basic properties of AC signal, and you acquire basic skills in operating oscilloscopes and function generator. So we have power supply. This is power supply, bench power supply. This is oscilloscope, that is function generator. We got it. This is how much, what brand? Some costly brand. This one what brand? This is, I think it's a local brand. Okay, oh. Okay, we need oscilloscope, function generator, breadboard, jumper, alligator clips, BNC cable. Oh, we have BNC. We have this. We have it, bro. We need breadboard.
Yeah. You also searching just now. Searching for that.
Okay.
For the
Breadboard, resistor, capacitor, and we need jumper cables. Jumper. Yeah. These are the things we have. These are the things we don't have. This is the BNC cable. So that only I have mentioned over here. This is the T BNC T bracket adapter. We have it. So. Turning on the oscilloscope. Yes.
Then the lab is
ஓகே ஆசம். அந்த பட்டன் அமுத்துங்க ப்ரோ, மேலே இருக்குது பாருங்க அந்த பட்டன். அங்கே இருக்குது பார்த்தீங்களா, அதை அமுத்துங்க. அவ்வளோதான். ப்ரோ வில் see to it ப்ரோ initially. ஓகே ஓகே ஆன் ஆயிடுச்சு. எஸ் சூப்பர் ப்ரோ, செம்ம. எப்படி இல்லை ஆனாது, அவ்வளோதான், அது ஆனாது. ஓகே, டேக் த பிஎன்சி. இதை எடுத்துக்கோங்க. BNC alligator.
Guys, don't spend too much time playing with the cursors because after you learn how to do the cursors to measure amplitude and frequency and period, then we will ask what's the name? The oscilloscope to do it automatically for us. So don't spend too much time playing with the cursor, okay? Just go and do the measurement using the automatic.
இல்லை 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 அதான் பனானா கேபிள் போடணும் இல்லை ஸோ அந்த கேபிள் எடுத்து வரீங்களா தான் தட் ஒன். So first experiment is this. We need to connect oscilloscope. We need to connect with the function generator with oscilloscope. So function generator is this one. Yeah, that one. So that one should be connected with oscilloscope. Okay. That one. Oh. Bro, do you have this one. Okay, bro, this one only. Yeah.
Oh, bro, someone's calling.
Who?
No, I mean like on your phone.
That one idiot will be calling. Okay. Bro, this is function generator. Okay. For the first experiment, they're saying to connect function generator with oscilloscope. When you set to some frequency range, you will be seeing the frequency over here.
Oh, okay.
So that is what the first experiment talks about. So that's what here they said. Oscilloscope, and this is one like this is oscilloscope. This is function generator. You can see in the top. So that's what.
Any issues? You understand how to use this software?
Okay.
Any problems, let me know.
So we will output and we will connect thread with thread. Okay, you can see right the function.
Yeah.
Okay.
Here put output 50.
Hmm?
Oh, yeah. The experiment. Output 50.
That is no. Anyway, like it is. Yeah, doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. This is giving output 50 ohms, so you can just connect anywhere. So if I okay, so then I think I can. Okay, that is moving a bit.
So BNC to BNC. BNC to BNC. The other cable. BNC to BNC.
Yeah, this is BNC to BNC.
可是好像 BNC BNC 咯。哇，correct 的。One can really.
We can do it one wire also, but for the complexity, okay. So brother was saying like we can just connect this 2 wire. Bro, camera holding up. Okay. There's one more way we can connect this straight over here. So but I did a different way.
ரொம்ப கஷ்டமான வேலை தான் நம்ம எப்போதுமே ஹேண்டில் பண்ணணும். ஈஸி வேலை போகக்கூடாது.
So right now I am increasing the amplitude and seeing. Okay. So you can see right when. So right now I will be changing. This is no like voltage per division. So now it's 2 volts. So when I increase my voltage, right, you can see the signal will be dropping the size. So if I go to 5 volt, the signal is dropped. If I go higher than like 5 volt is the higher, I think so. Yeah, 5 is the high, and the low is 200 millivolt is the lowest. You can take down, write it somewhere. The oscilloscope operating range. So
Guys, very simple, RC circuit. You have a resistor like that, and you have a capacitor like that, correct? Yes or no? Low pass filter, right? Low pass filter. So your input is here and here.
yes, அதான் ப்ரோ நான் முடிச்சிட்டேன் ப்ரோ அது.
நீங்கள் யார் ப்ரோ? வேறு லெவல் ப்ரோ. நீங்கள் மேட்ச் காட்டுவீங்க சாருக்கு முன்னாடி.
Output is here and here. Now, if you wish, on the oscilloscope.
So first stage is completed, I think so. Next you will need to measure the peak to peak voltage difference, so we can see the peak to peak voltage, which is this one. If I press any other things channel only. Okay. it is showing. If I acquire
நோட் பண்ணலையா பிக் டு பிக்கோட இதை கல்குலேஷன் மேட்டர் பண்ணலாம்.
அதெல்லாம் நோட் பண்ணணும். வெயிட் பண்ணுங்கள். See the difference between the 2 points. Take note of the time difference. டைம் டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் அதெல்லாம் மெஷர் பண்ணும். எழுதிக்கோங்க. அது அப்படியே இருந்துச்சுன்னா நோட்டில் அந்த நோட்லேயே அது
என்னென்ன எழுதலாம்?
அப்புறம் ஃபஸ்ட்டு பீக் டு பீக் வோல்டேஜ் எழுதுங்க. ஏன்னா அதான் கேட்குறான். பீக் டு பீக் ஸோ
வோல்டேஜ் எவ்வளோ ப்ரோ? 16.2
ஆமாம் 16.2. Frequencies 110 hertz. 910 hertz. அதுக்கப்புறமா டைம் டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் வந்து 500 milliseconds. மைக்ரோ செகண்ட்ஸ் 500.
If you wanted to find something, just go which channel you want, 1 or 2, and what measurement you want. You want frequency
மில்லி செகண்ட்ஸ் தானே ப்ரோ?
ஆமாம் மைக்ரோ செகண்ட்ஸ் ப்ரோ. US and the channel 1 set to maximum voltage 5 voltage setting for the channel. Bro, that you're answering for this one, huh? This one extra additional information, not this one.
No.
Okay.
சும்மா தான் ப்ரோ.
Okay.
நீங்கள் பார்க்கக்கூடாது.
So after that அதுக்குமா வேறு என்ன? Okay, you will need to find the change in the amplitude for the following.
சேம் ப்ரொசீஜர்.
Delta, take note, அதான் change in voltage and peak to peak values. அவர் கூப்பிடுங்க சார். ஒன் டவுட், இந்த மாதிரிலாம் அசிங்கப்படுத்தக்கூடாது. ஏன் இப்படிலாம் பண்ணுறாரு? Sir, question, sir. Sir, over. No, sir.
Okay.
Sir, this M500.
What the hell is this?
No, sir, I have paused it.
Oh, okay.
So,
Why you want to pause?
no, sir, I want to just measure this 500 microsecond is the division right now, sir, between the X.
Correct.
Huh? So
Because
if
time is in the X, right? And
Yes, sir.
voltage is in the Y.
Y. Okay, sir. So if I want to measure the time like manually, so the wave is over here. So I need to move the wave here. No, move the wave here for one period, right, now, sir?
Well, you can just look. Look, from here to here to here is 2 boxes and a bit, right?
Okay, sir.
Why you want to move it? You just look. You just look at this difference.
No, sir. This difference, no, sir. From here to here, the difference, peak to peak.
Peak to peak, correct.
Okay, right, no, sir. So
Peak to peak. Why? But why are you shifting the weight?
no, I want to just calculate, like by seeing how what is the
Okay,
time.
go to live again.
Live, sir.
Live. Don't.
Live,
No.
okay.
Okay. What do you want?
No, sir. Time difference.
Yeah, time different. You using the cursor, you mean, is it?
Yes, sir.
Then activate the cursor.
Okay, sir. I have activated it. I can see the frequency, peak to peak voltage, but I can't see the time difference over there.
Cursor, live
Cursor.
cursor.
Oh, okay, sir.
Cursor.
Okay, sir.
Cursor. What type of cursor you want? You want amplitude?
No, yeah.
You want time?
Okay,
Time.
sir.
There
Time.
you go.
Oh.
So now you measure the you move the cursor. How do you move? From here.
From here, sir.
You
Okay.
see?
Oh. Okay, sir.
So now go to select the other cursor now.
So other cursor, sir.
No, it's not this. That's the same. So put it here at the minimum, say.
Minimum. Okay, sir.
Okay. Then how do we activate the other one?
I think over here, sir. No, that
No.
is amplification. Okay.
No. I forget.
This one, sir.
No,
This
that's
one,
it.
sir.
No, stop.
Where this one, sir? Horizontal position.
We want to move the cursor.
Okay, sir.
Right. So what did you do now?
Horizontal position, sir.
That moves the wave. Why?
That one, sir. Time.
I want to move this guy. No. Time 1. Okay. What is the other? Cursor 2.
Okay, sir. We have to
There
set
you
the
go.
option.
So now. All right. So minimum to minimum, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. So what's the delta T?
Delta T. Delta T.
Delta T 1.1 milliseconds.
Oh, okay, sir.
So that's the period. So if delta T is 1 millisecond, what's the frequency?
1 divided by 1 milliseconds. That is.
Which is?
1 by 1000, sir. 1000 frequency. 1000 hertz.
1000 frequency.
1000 hertz.
Correct. 1 kilohertz,
1
right?
kilohertz,
You
yeah.
said it to be 1 kilohertz.
Yes, sir.
right?
1 kilohertz. Yeah.
So if the period is 1 millisecond, that means the frequency is 1 kilohertz.
Yes, sir.
So now you know how to use the cursor.
Yes, sir.
But because we are clever, we don't use the cursor.
Okay, sir.
We just use the measure.
Measure,
And the
okay.
measure tells us immediately.
Frequency.
Boom.
Okay, sir.
So you can do the same for amplitude.
Okay, sir. Yeah. Chicken squeezy. Okay. Easy update. Okay. This one. This is 104 capacitor number.
Okay.
That is 1000 microfarad. என்ன பண்ணனும்னா
சொல்லுங்க
we need to do this experiment 2. We are doing experiment 2.
Experiment name.
Experiment name வந்து analyzing the low pass filter. That is the experiment 2.
Okay.
So இப்போ என்ன பண்ணனும்னா this is oscilloscope. We have to give power to this from the function generator and we need to power that too. எல்லாமே இதுலயே ஒன்னுல கொடுக்கணும். அதனால என்ன பண்ணனும்னா we have one. Okay bro, thank you.
You know where's the time distribution, right?
Okay.
No. Time distribution is this guy.
Okay.
Basically, it tells you what is the scale in the horizontal side. For example, this time, vertical is called, right? Right, so you can
Enjoy.
This is approximately the x-axis is millisecond. Yeah. Because if I go different time one way,
This one over there.
only about one side.
So இப்போ என்ன பண்றேன்னா like what I'm doing is I'm giving power supply to this from the function generator. The function generator what it does is it gives generates wave. It generates a wave. That wave goes to the circuit and do the low pass thing, and from the low pass thing I'll get analysis of any
T junction, bro.
Correct. So can you tell me where you could see this information?
remove this one, connect the to the thing over here like this. Okay, and bro, could you connect this one, bro? Bottom. Yeah, thank you, bro. Thank you. That one, yes, that one on the top. Okay, then I think you can see two signals. Yeah. Channel. source channel 1, not channel 1, go on to channel 2. Okay, right now I can see, I think so. If I keep, so 10 hertz. So this is the actual 10 hertz. It's going like this way. It is almost 90, and this is the reading from the resistor. This is channel 1, and if I make it to 100 hertz, and you can see the wave, and it's still peak over there. If I make to 1000 hertz, you can see it is almost 90, and this is like small wave over there. And I think you can reduce the size over there. Yeah, okay, you can reduce. So now that is the wave. This is the wave. Okay, if I make it to 100, what will happen? Let's see. This is the actual wave, and from the function generator, the top is the actual wave from the function generator, and the bottom is the rectified wave from the capacitor. It is doing low pass. If I give 100, no, some mega high frequency. High frequency means you are not able to see the frequency in the capacitor, I think so. Not able to see anything. But there I can see both they are given. But I don't know. If I give stop, full gone. This is like 10 megahertz. So I'll reduce to okay 100 kilohertz. So right now again start. Can't see anything. Yeah, there's a pretty good question I have. The thing is, the low pass filter means it will allow only the frequency, some frequency. It will not allow higher frequencies. Right now you can see all the frequencies. This is the frequency, like 5 kilohertz frequency. You're getting, and if I keep 10 also, you will get the frequency, 10 frequency. And if I keep some 300, okay, you're getting this frequency also. You're getting all the frequencies. Bloody bullshit it is. Sir, question. Bro, இந்த வாட்டி வீடியோ எடுங்க. அப்படி இப்போ பாஸ் பண்ணி வச்சுருங்க. ஸோ the question நான் எப்படி எடுக்கிறேன். So for the frequency 50 hertz, so kept here 50 hertz, and reading the peak to peak voltage as 11.2 volts. Bro, calculated 11.2 volts peak to peak. Calculated V peak. That one, last one. That one, yeah, that one. 11.2 volt. Okay. Frequency don't know. Okay.
Why do you have the frequency there?
Because I think we are not getting the frequency. It is like straight slope right now, bro.
Yeah.
So maybe due to that we don't have frequency.
So what are we adjusting there?
We are setting the frequency to the circuit.
Okay.
That is nice question. Why don't we see the frequency, right? We'll ask that, sir, why we can't see the frequency? Okay, so if I keep 100 and if you give measure right now, yeah, bro, at 100 hertz voltage is 15.6 voltage. 15.6. 15.6. Okay. Okay, so here also we are not getting frequency. I'll off this channel.
Okay, what size comes?
What? You guys have a question?
Sir, one question, sir.
Kill you. You want your one question? You robbed me of 5 years from my life. What do you mean, okay?
Sir, so this is low pass filter, no, sir.
Yeah.
So low pass filter means it will accept the low frequency, it will not accept high frequency. Right? So when I set to when I run this thing, so I kept it 100 hertz. Here you can see the frequency of the function generator and frequency of this. So if I keep 10 megahertz, okay, sir. If I keep it, you're seeing frequency. This is noise or this is what?
Why don't you just take this for measurements?
Oh, okay, sir. Okay, that I will.
Don't break my
Okay, sir. Sir. One doubt, sir. I didn't clarify. Sir. The thing is, right now I'm reading this frequency is the function generator frequency, but I'm also reading this frequency, right? So.
Your input should go to the input and to the scope.
Yeah.
Your output should go to the scope. So you're measuring the input and you're measuring the output. So what's your problem?
No, sir. The thing is, right now the tank circuit, right? If I give high frequency, it should not show any reading, right? But it's showing reading.
No, it doesn't. Secondly, this is your input, right? So it's always good practice to put the input in channel 1
Okay, sir.
and output in channel 2. Alright? This is your output, right?
Yes, sir. This is the output. So if I off the channel 1.
Wait. Why you want to off your channel? Stop touching the scope. Okay.
So the positive is connecting what you're saying.
Wait. You are giving me this
Yes, sir. The output.
as
sir.
the output.
Yes, sir.
Do you want me to kill you now or kill you later?
Sir, I don't know, sir.
Okay. What is our circuit?
Sir.
Look at our circuit. It's like this. Resistor, capacitor.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Alright. Where is the input?
Sir, this is the input positive voltage. This is the negative voltage.
Alright. Okay. So input, that's the
Yes, sir.
input,
Yeah,
right?
input. Yes, sir.
Okay. So,
That one is going over there. Yes, sir. Yeah. That one going over there. Yes, sir.
agree?
Yes, sir.
Is that what you had? No, that was, you had the output.
Oh.
You had this to be the output.
Okay, sir. This should be the output.
No, this is the input.
Okay, sir.
Correct?
Okay, correct. sir.
Between the resistor and the ground. The ground is the other end of the capacitor.
Okay,
Correct?
sir. Okay, sir.
Yes or no? Why are you thinking about it? I even put them in the same shape as the drawing.
Okay. Even
So
I
that's your input.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Where's the output? Put the output.
Output like this.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Right. So let's do 50 hertz. 50 hertz. What's the amplitude? Okay. Why are you still using the curves?
Sir, what?
Channel 1 peak to peak, channel 1 frequency, channel 2 peak to peak, channel 2 frequency. Right, you have 16 volts, too much. How many should you have?
Sir, if I
How
take
many
it-
should you have?
Which one, sir?
My grandmother. How many volts should you have?
Sir, how many voltage?
How many volts should you have? Read your bloody lab sheet.
5.
Okay, let's say 5.
Okay, sir.
Why you never follow instructions?
Sir.
So let's say 5. Actually, for the RC filter, you should have 10. Okay, so I'm gonna give you 10.
Peak to peak, no, sir. Peak to peak 10.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
Right.
Sir, if you keep higher frequency means there should be no signal, right? Try to keep higher frequency.
Correct. Wait. Now all these things is here. There, input signal is 10 volts peak to peak at what? What is your frequency?
Down, slow down the wall.
Is it down? Oh, I can't find it. Oh yeah, your frequency, of course, I forgot. Yeah, the frequency is different, right? Okay, at 50 hertz, you see they're the same, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay. What do you want?
Like
Let's say 10 kilohertz.
Okay.
10
kilohertz.
kilohertz.
Okay, sir.
Right.
There is signal, no, sir, everything. Small voltage. Oh, okay, the voltage is dropped. 2 volt. So here, this is like you're giving.
Are you triggering to where? Channel 1 or channel 2? Source channel 2, no, put channel 1.
Oh, okay, sir. Now I got it. You are giving 10 volt from the oscilloscope, but the function generator. Okay. And the circuit is impedancing like it's allowing giving out 2 volts only. So 8 volts are like it is taking it or
Actually, let's see, is it truly 2 volts?
1.5 peak to peak. Okay. So if I give more than like 40 megahertz, it's not 2 megahertz. You can okay. The voltage is still lower. I think so. Okay. Yes, sir. Its voltage is very less.
200 millimeters.
Yeah.
So what's your problem?
Sir, yes, sir. You solved, sir.
Okay.
You're awesome.
I'm not awesome. You are stubborn. Well, at least you are asking questions, so that's okay. teach them how to use the mathematics. I cannot project on the screen. I don't know what. Don't ask me. I'm so. Yeah.
So like this is the formula for the finding cutoff frequency. Cutoff. So that's what I have given here. So it is 1.569. So if I give on it, give 1.591 hertz. How much? I'm getting 4. Okay, first one, if I give 1.5915 hertz, I'm getting voltage வந்து எவ்வளோ வருது 4.2 voltage. Input voltage வந்து 11 input 4. Okay, if that was kilohertz, 1591 was in kilohertz, then I get like this. So that is correct. But this is 1.5915 kilohertz. Now I'm getting 7 volt. So அதான் கரெக்ட்னு நினைக்கிறேன். This is correct. Give
ஆமாம் ப்ரோ. நீங்கள்
output rate.
எனக்கு எலக்ட்ரிக்கல் மட்டும்தான் ப்ரோ இப்போதைக்கு இந்த மாடலில். அடுத்த மாடலில் தான் எனக்கு மாறும் எல்லாமே. அடுத்த மாடலில் இல்லைன்னா வரப்போதே தெரியல, எல்லாம் பண்ண போகிறதே தெரியல. எதுவாக இருந்தாலும் சொல்லிட்டு செய்யுங்க.
ஓகே,
டீ ஜாயினா இங்கேயே பண்ணியிருக்கலாம், நீங்கள் அங்கே பண்ணுறீங்க. ஓகே ஃபைன், நாட் இஷ்யூ.
ஓகே, இப்போது வந்து நான் வெயிட் பண்ண சர்க்கியூட்டை பாருங்கள். ஃபஸ்ட்டு எயிட்டு சர்க்கியூட் அனலைஸ் இங்கேருந்து அவுட்புட் வருது. ஸோ கெப்பாசிட்டர்லேருந்து அவுட்புட் வருது. கெப்பாசிட்டர்லேருந்து இங்கே கிரவுண்ட் ஆகுது. ஸோ இங்கேருந்து அவுட்புட் வருது. இங்கேருந்து இங்கே அனாலிசிஸ் எடுக்கணும். அப்படியா கெப்பாசிட்டர்? ஓகே, அப்படின்னா இங்கேருந்து எடுக்கிறோம். இங்கேருந்து ரெசிஸ்டர்லேருந்து எடுக்கிறோம். ரெசிஸ்டர், அதுக்கப்புறமா இந்த கிரவுண்டு. ஓகே, இங்கே தான். ஓகே, ஸ்டார்ட் திஸ் ஒன். If I change the frequency, low pass. Okay, if I go to
என்ன பண்ணீங்க?
வெயிட் பண்ணு.
கொஞ்சம் லாக் இருக்கும் படத்தை. அது அவசரம்னு எடுத்ததுனால அது அப்படி ஆயிடுச்சு படம். அது ஒரு நல்ல ஸ்டோரி தான். சைக்கோ ஸ்டோரி. செல்வராகவன் அவர் தான்.
நீங்கள் வீட்டுக்கு லைவ் கண்டிக்கிறீங்க எல்லாம்
இல்லை
வீட்டு இல்லையா சில கண்டு இல்லையா லைவ்
பார்க்குறதோட சரி படம். பைத்தியம் வந்து என்ன பண்ண போகிறோம், ஏற்கனவே நம்ம பைத்தியமாக தான் சுற்றிக்கிட்டு இருக்கோம்.
இந்தியாவில் கொஞ்சம் பிடிக்கிறாங்க.
Okay, yeah, see. What is it? Is it resistor and a capacitor?
Actually, what I did was I connected this TTL cable from the function generator to the oscilloscope to channel 2. I think you can't see channel 2. If I press channel 2, channel 2, where is channel 2? This is channel 2 மட்டும் தான் பார்க்க முடியும். Where is channel 2? Where is channel 2? Okay, so I kept at 300 hertz. If I turn on, if I keep it for 300, you can see over here change in the frequency. If I give 200 hertz, you can say it's a straight line. And if I give it to mega frequency, how much? Kilo mega, 10 megahertz. You can see it's like this. Give 10 minutes, give 50, you're getting low, I think.
So that's going to be your output. Between these points and the ground. Alright, but we need the cable.
See, very like the capacitor is filtering out, right? So filtering, very filtering.
Anybody has BNC and Crocodile? Someone stole it from me.
It is almost straight. If I give 1 hertz, it is almost straight. Like if you pass one voltage, like actually if there is no frequency, if there is no signal, it will be like a straight line. It will be a straight line, like straight voltage you'll get. So when I give it to some 10 frequency, 10 hertz, you can see there is slight different in the slope. If I give 50, you can see there's a curvature over there. Then right now if I give 100, and you can see still more curvature. It is zooming out. If I give for 1000, 1 kilohertz, you can see the wave, full wave. If I give 300 means that is the exact, I think so, 300 hertz. You can see peak 1, no, 350 I think so, 350. Yeah. Peak 1, this one peak. Peak to peak, one entire wave we are getting it. So actually, yeah, that's what the circuit. So I'll explain the circuit. So from the output, from the function generator through the output 50 voltage, you are going from here, from the signal like this way, from that way, and you are going to the circuit, and from the circuit the positive is going to the resistor, and from resistor it's going to the capacitor, and the ground is connecting to the capacitor. This is only low pass circuit. So you are connecting oscilloscope from the resistor to the capacitor output. So you're reading in the channel 1, and that's what channel 1. So I can't read channel 2 because channel 2 it's not reading. If I remove channel 2, then if I do some value changes, what is the thing what I can see? I can see same thing. So it's not reading from channel 2. So if I connect in this way, that's simple wire. Some jokes.
Crocodile clips. What do you have? Yeah, BNC to Crocodile.
ஓகே do the recording. நேற்று இதே மாதிரி தான் அவர் சொல்லும் போது
I stress you. You push the wrong button.
இல்லை ப்ரோ நேற்று இது போன வாட்டி இதே மாதிரி தான் அவர் சொல்லும் போது ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணணும்னு நினச்சிட்டு இருந்தேன்.
ஆமாம் மறந்துட்டீங்க.
ஆனால் மறந்துட்டு இந்த வாட்டி அதே மாதிரி அங்கேயே திருப்பி வரும்போது பயந்துட்டு ஆஃப் பண்ணிட்டேன். ஓகே
Okay.
மூஞ்சி தான் தெரியும்.
ஓகே ப்ரோ.
ஓகே ஸோ இப்போ நம்ம வந்து என்ன